Hey everyone, I'm Brian from All Day Ruckoff, and today we're unbagging the Recycled Firefighter Battalion 12-hour backpack. This is a 100% made in the USA backpack. It's made by Recycled Firefighter. Looks like this bag might have opened a little bit on the way here. It's a 12-liter pack, and one thing that I'm really excited about is that they use USA hardware according to the description on the website. And so I'm excited to see the bag made in the USA, made with USA hardware. And here it is. This is a 12-liter pack. It fits right between the GORUCK Bullet 10 and the GORUCK Bullet 15. I bought it because I've heard a lot of good things about this company, a lot of good things about Recycled Firefighter, the gear they make, the quality of the gear. And so finally they had a sale that put the bag in the price range that I wanted to spend on it. So I bought it, and here it is. Also in here we've got a little order invoice, then a nice insert. So always fun to get that stuff. Obviously the thing I'm really excited about is the backpack. I did go for the Cryptic Typhoon color on it. I probably would not have chose this if I was planning on using this for an everyday carry bag, because it's not a standard color that you would see anywhere for the most part. But since this is a 12-liter pack, I usually use these things as like grab-and-go bags for a park or for getting out with the kids, maybe a short hike. So I wasn't too worried about this. It's made of 1000D Cordura. It's got a giant 3-inch by 3.5-inch Velcro rectangle on it, so it'll fit your patches. There'll probably be a little bit of extra room on all the sides for it. It seems like it's sewn up really nice. I'm excited to do either a preview or a review video of it after I've had time to go through and really dig around this pack. Because like I said, the reviews on their website, just tons of 5-star reviews. I was blown away by the number of reviews that are on there. Like it said, USA made zippers, which is cool. GORUCK used to use USA made zippers. Now they use internationally made zippers. And so there's a huge Zippergate thing that went on during that change. So I'm excited to see these on here. Opening up that front pocket, it's orange on the inside. Nice to see a really bright color, because then you can find your gear in there really easily, especially if it's dark. So we've got that front pocket, goes vertical top to bottom, all the way to the bottom. Just like the GORUCK bags, this thing is clamshell opening. Super orange on the inside too. Again, really nice if it's dark, you're trying to see what's going on inside the pack. Things aren't going to get lost in the corners, because we've got lights on the pack, but this thing reflects off of itself. So if you've got a headlamp on or something, nothing's going to hide from you. It's got a flat back, no pockets, no webbing here. There is a little bit of webbing coming down on the top, so you could hook in a hydration bladder. It looks like there's a hydration port exit on the top. There it is, with what looks like the only piece of branding on the bag. It says Recycled Firefighter right there. Flipping this thing over, we've got 2 mesh zippered pockets, really similar to how GORUCK has their bullet rucks set up, except GORUCK's mesh on the bottom and it's 1000D Cordura on top. Both of them open and close nicely. No stuck zippers. No loose threads that I can see. hanging out there, so that's cool. Back of the pack, got some padded shoulder straps. We've got not MOLLE webbing sewn into it, but we do have webbing that comes down. It looks like 3 giant pieces. Then we've got these 2 D-rings down here, and then a little small section on top. So you could probably put a Grimlock on here towards the bottom of one of these sewn-in sections to route your hydration hose. That way you can take the hose off, drink water, attach it back, and you won't have any issues there. Overall, looks like a really nice pack. I'm excited to finally have one. I've heard nothing but good things about them from the everyday carry community, even from the GORUCK community. I know a number of people have bought from Recycled Firefighter there. Here we go. A single thread that needs to be cut. Looks like one thread. That's pretty awesome, because I've gotten backpacks that have had to have a number of threads cut to make them look clean. Usually grab either scissors or fingernail clippers and just go through and nab them real quick. So found one throughout the entire pack. Not bad at all. Like I was saying, hear nothing but great things about the build quality, about using the backpack. Can't wait to see how it works. Can't wait to compare it to the Bullet 10 and the Bullet 15, since this runs right in the middle of those two. And I'm excited to support Recycled Firefighter because they seem like a really awesome company. Hopefully you found this unboxing, unbagging video of the Recycled Firefighter Battalion 12-hour bag informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'd truly appreciate it. If you have a preference between a comparison on the 12-hour Battalion versus the Bullet 10 or the Bullet 15 first, let me know in the comments, and definitely prioritize that based on comments. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. A lot of really good wrecking content already there, a lot more on the way. Your support is truly appreciated. And as always, don't forget, attitude is everything. Keep yours positive and drink hard, rock harder.